Good morning. When you visit the island of Madeira, there's lots of things to do and see. One of the iconic things to do in Madeira is to take a toboggan ride. The toboggan ride was first introduced in the 1850s and was a form of public transport to carry people down the hill to the town centre. These days, toboggan riding is a very popular tourist attraction. The toboggans are guided by two runners, dressed in white and wearing straw boater hats. The descent from Monte to Livramento is approximately 2 kilometres. You may have seen the previous video in this Madeira series, where we visited the Monte Palace Tropical Gardens, which is also well worth visiting. Well, the start point for the toboggans is just by the Monte Palace Tropical Gardens. So when we left the gardens, we joined the queue to take the toboggan ride down the hill. This video shows the ride as it happens. It isn't speeded up at all. It's great fun and quite safe. I do recommend that you give it a try if you visit Madeira. The ride really is worth doing, and you'll regret it if you don't. When you arrive at the bottom of the Toboggan Run, you can either walk the rest of the way down the hill to Funchal centre or jump in a taxi. There's a taxi rank nearby. There's also a cafe where you can have a drink and watch the toboggans being loaded into a lorry to take them back up the hill, to start all over again. Thanks for watching, and please give us a like and subscribe to our channel.